No one really tells you this, but finding the best free no-code mobile app builder isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to build apps with old school code editors and drag and drop tools that somehow made everything more confusing and slower than it needed to be. I spent hours clicking through menus, watching tutorials, and trying to understand features that felt way too technical for what I wanted to build. Most of the time, I wasn't even building the app itself. I was just trying to understand the tools. It was literally exhausting, especially when all I wanted was a simple, clean mobile app that actually worked. So, in this video, I'll walk you through 4 super clear steps that show you how to get a real working mobile app using a much smarter, beginner friendly approach. This is the exact process that helped me stop feeling stuck and start seeing real progress almost immediately. Instead of fighting the software, you're finally working with it. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy this is once you see it in action. The link to Base 44 is in the description, but there's no special discount, just the program itself. Step 1. Sign up and start your project in Base 44. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, getting started with Base 44 and seeing how fast you can launch your very first project. This is usually where most tools lose people, but Base 44 makes it feel almost effortless. When I signed up for Base 44, I literally had my first app project started in under 2 minutes. I was totally obsessed with how clean and simple the dashboard was. There were no confusing settings, no technical words that made me nervous, just a big Create New App button sitting right there. It immediately made me feel like I was in the right place. First, you go to the Base 44 website and click Sign Up. You enter your email, create a password, and confirm your account. Once you log in, you land directly on the dashboard. From there, you click Create New App, give your app a name, and select Mobile App as your project type. That's it. No complicated setup process, no forms asking for things you don't understand. Right after that, you'll see a template gallery. This part is actually really helpful, especially if you're not sure where to start. You can choose templates like a productivity app, a fitness tracker, a habit tracker, or something more social. And if you already have a clear idea, you can also start from scratch. Here's what most people don't know. These templates are not limiting at all. They're just starting points. You can change layouts, features, colors, and structure later. Starting with a template doesn't mean your app will look like everyone else's, but the real game changer is what happens next when Base 44's AI steps in to help you design your app screens. Step 2. Design your app screens with Base 44's AI. Now here comes my totally obsessed part. Using Base 44's AI to design your app screens without any design skills. This is the moment where building an app starts to feel exciting instead of intimidating. When I clicked AI design and typed something like, I want a modern home screen with a big welcome message and 3 colorful buttons, the AI literally built the entire screen for me. The layout made sense, the spacing looked clean, and the colors actually worked together. I remember thinking, wait, this already looks like a real app. To do this, you click Add Screen or select an existing screen from your app. Then you click the AI Design or AI Assistant button. You describe what you want in simple language, like add a profile screen with a photo, username, and edit button. You don't need design terms or technical words. Just explain it like you would to a person. The AI then generates the layout, chooses colors, adds icons, and even fills in placeholder text. From there, you can drag and drop elements, resize things, or click on any part to edit it manually. Everything feels visual and intuitive. Here's what most people don't know. Base 44's I can suggest color palettes and icons that match your app's vibe. If you want something playful, minimal, professional, or super cute, you can literally say that in your prompt. The AI adjusts the design to match that feeling. But the real magic is when you move past design and start adding real features that make your app actually do something. Step 3. Add features and connect data without code. Now here comes my super practical part. Adding real functionality to your app without writing a single line of code. This is where your app goes from looking good to actually being useful. When I added a Contact Us form to my app, the AI automatically created all the fields and even connected it to my email. I didn't have to configure anything manually. I literally said out loud, "This is so easy," because I knew how long that would have taken me in other tools. First, you click Add Feature or Add Component inside the editor. You'll see options like forms, lists, buttons, maps, and even chat features. You pick what you need, and then you describe how you want it to work. For example, add a feedback form with name, email, and message. Next, you connect your app to data. You click Connect Data and choose a built-in database or something like Google Sheets. This allows your app to store and display information dynamically. You can add new entries, update content, and see changes instantly. While you're doing this, you can use the live preview to test everything. You tap buttons, submit forms, and scroll through screens exactly like a real user would. Here's what most people don't know. Base 44 supports real-time data updates. That means your app can change instantly as new data comes in. This is huge if you want your app to feel modern and interactive. And once everything is working, the best part comes next. Publishing your app. Step 4. Publish and share your app in minutes. Now here comes my favorite finishing part. Publishing your app and sharing it with real people. This is the moment where your idea officially becomes something real. When I clicked Publish, Base 44 generated a working app link in under a minute. I didn't have to submit anything to an app store or wait for approval. I sent the link to my friends and they opened it instantly on their phones. Seeing someone actually use something I built felt amazing. To do this, you click Publish in the top right corner. You choose whether your app is public or private. Then you copy the link or scan the QR code to open it on your phone. You can share that link anywhere, social media, email, or directly with users. And if you want to change something later, you just go back, click Edit, make your updates, and publish again. There's no stress about breaking anything. Here's what most people don't know. Base 44 automatically makes your app mobile-friendly across devices. You don't have to think about screen sizes, operating systems, or compatibility. It just works. Now let's talk about how much time and money this saves. Hiring a professional app developer can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000. Learning traditional app development can take 6 to 12 months of classes and practice. With Base 44, you're spending less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, and you can have a working app live in a single weekend. People often ask, what if I'm not creative? The AI handles the creative heavy lifting. You just guide it. What if I don't know what features I need? Base 44's templates and AI suggest proven ideas based on real apps. And no, your app won't look generic. You can customize everything. The result is immediate. Your app is live in hours, not months. You can show it to friends, family, or clients. You save thousands of dollars. And creatively, you finally get to bring your idea to life without stress. So here's the real question. Are you ready to build your own app the smart way? Click the link in the description to try Base 44 for yourself. No special code needed, just the program. Open it, start a project, and see how fast your idea turns into a real app. Join our community, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. If you've been waiting for the right moment to build your own app, this is it. Your dream app is literally just a few clicks away. Let's make it happen together.